Hey guys, it's Kate. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video, and today I'm going to be showing you my squishy collection. So let's go. Here's a look at all my squishies in this bin. First squishy is this lettuce squishy, and this was actually the first squishy I ever got. And this one is really nice and slow rising, but it's very defected because of how much I've squished it. So yeah, here's the next squishy. It's a little strawberry. The stem broke off though. It has a cute little face, and I really like this one. I got this for my birthday a couple years ago. This is my s'more squishy. This is one of my favorites, definitely, because it is really nice and slow rising. So I really like this one. This is my ice cream squishy. This one I also really like, but it's also very defected. So yeah, this squishy smells so good. It's a cute little unicorn, and I got this at Christmas. And it's so nice and slow rising. These next two squishies are Smushy Mushy squishies. They came in this little bottle. And this is a little koala. It's so cute. And this is a little milk, but the face is kind of wiping off. Everything is wiping off on it. This one isn't that slow rising, but it's cute. This is the Num Num squishy. It's so cute, and it smells so good. But it's a little bit hard to squish. It's very stiff, but still super cute. This squishy is like a little stack of cakes with some whipped cream on top. And I love this one. It's really nice and slow rising. This is my ice cream squishy. It's one of my very old squishies. And I really like this one. It's very soft and slow rising. This is my elephant squishy. I got this a really long time ago at the dollar store. And it's more like a stress ball. It's not very slow rising and it's very hard to squish. But it's pretty cute still. This is my Squeeze-A-Mall. I don't know if you'd count this as a squishy, but I do. And I think it's super cute. It's very slow rising. And it smells so good and it's so soft. These two are Smushy Mushies, and these are so cute. They came together. There's a little monkey and a little popsicle. And they came in this. Here is my donut squishy. It's very defected, but it's so soft and so slow rising. I really like this one. Here is my bread squishy. This one is one of my favorites. It is really nice and so soft. And it's so slow rising. I love it. This squishy is a little tart squishy, like strawberry tart, and it's so cute. It's a bit defected, but I still really like it. These two are little keychain squishies that I got from the mall. And they're really dirty because dust kind of sticks to them. But they're really cute. This is my hot chocolate squishy. I really like this squishy, but it's very defected. As you can see, the candy cane is coming off. But it's really nice to squish. I really like this one. And last, but definitely not least, is my watermelon squishy. This one is really big. It's like the size of my head, bigger than my head actually. And it is so slow rising. So let's give this a squish. This one is really nice to squish. And then the back. So nice. And there are all my squishies.